All right, here we are with a little quick tutorial about how to use the booklet making machine. So we want to have our silkscreen portfolios be in nice booklet like this. So what we got to do, this is the machine. The handle needs to stay in the middle all the time. You want to make sure that when you're punching your papers, the overhead sheet, the clear sheet, is harder to punch through. So don't put all your cardstock and everything together. Do it in 2 batches. You're going to slide all the papers in straight underneath, making sure this handle's in the middle. When you pull it towards yourself, it will punch the holes. Set this first batch to the side, second batch, punch, holes. Now grab a binding. It has one side that opens and one side that doesn't. The side that does not open faces down towards you. Come in a little closer so you can see this. Faces down against here, and when I push this forward, it will open the coils. I can then slide my pages onto here. Slide these pages onto here. Close it up by going back to the middle. And when I take it off, it's a nice finished bound booklet. Okay, that's how you make your booklets.